Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Popping with these bitches in my business, got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. You know, I'm scared, I'm the lowest of the low. I need you to get the fuck out my space. Replacements on the way, please don't play. Pussy's feeling like a great escape. I need no trick, or that don't change. I'm fucking, I ain't making love no more. You got a new bitch, what the fuck you crying for? I'm moving service, calling on my favorite. How to reach me in time and place in my words every night. We committed a crime. Wherever long, no more safer spot. We can't be outside 'cause I'm not against the crowd. Am I on your mind? Wherever you are, don't call me. Tell me so. I'm on the low, I'm out of range. Certain else, suddenly I like to get it poppin'. These bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. If you see me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but I'm quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, like nobody knows shit. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep it, like nobody knows shit. I need total confidential privacy. No one knows, thinking I'm a robot. Time's so strange that we on the first class trip. Don't work my nerves, you know I get more. Yeah, fucking, we ain't making love no more. You talk that talk, but ain't no matter with. So strong with every whatever you need. Don't call me. Bitches in my business got me out to choosing violence. See me out in public, you don't know me, keep it silent. In the bedroom, I be screaming, but outside I keep it quiet. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep that, ain't nobody knows. Even though I don't ski, I'm the lowest of the lowest. But if you can keep that, ain't nobody knows. Sometimes it's soft as a misty rain that gently touches my soul. It cools the fire that burns in me, and I simply lose control. So just rain down on me. Let your love just fall like rain, just rain on me. Let your love just shower me, just rain on me. Let your love just shower me, just rain on me.
Mi bora nishafika Ololua.
Mimi niache nilale. YouTube channel ya Neema. Hi. Hello.
Hebu ambiwa subscribe.
Subscribe to her YouTube channel.
Hi guys.
We're hiking.
Ile mzururo use hiking.
We're hiking.
Subscribe to her YouTube
Ololua
channel.
Trail. Hi guys. Hello. Thank you for subscribing. For those who are watching, subscribe, please. Tap, 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 tap.
Tuko hapa. So ni mlima. Nitafaa sikuja pata kilomita. Ndio unaonekana kwa vlog. Tuko hapa. Acha nipenda.
Mad at my nigga, mad at the fact he ain't with you, mad at the fact that it's me. This shit bigger than me alone. So why you putting on for the shade room and instant? Bitch still be looking for attention. Trust me, you can get it. Pull up whenever. You know I'm with it. Don't get it twisted. Nothing like none of these bitches. But sometimes I get in my feelings. Sometimes I know I be tripping. Picture. Wondering if you even know this bitch for real. Learning that you screw this bitch for real. Baby on a groovy song.
Tuko 5. Ndio hii 5 kwa hapa.
Mad at the fact he ain't with you. Mad at the fact that it's me. This shit bigger.
Ngine iko.
You alone. So why you putting on
Wapi?
for the shade room and instant? Bitch still be looking for attention. Better. Mad at my nigga. Mad at the fact he ain't with you. Mad at the fact that it's me. This shit bigger. Me alone. So why you putting on for the shade room and instant?
Hai wanateremka, imagine hadi chini. How are you doing? Hope you're doing great. Hope you're doing well, guys. I've not talked to you since I started this vlog, but hope you're doing well. Today is on Monday, guys. I'm having my breakfast. I'm having some tea here. and some cakes. Guys, I can't show you I can't show you well because my angle at which I've put this phone, I'm charging the phone, so that is why the angle of which I'm taking this video is very poor, or it's very bad. So I'm charging it here. So bado guys hatujapata stima. I don't know what's going on. Tuko kwa giza hadi saa hii, tuko kwa blackout until now. But guys, on Saturday we went from Oloolua. As you saw, I took some very I think it was good, but I went to Oloolua with some people, a group of people, and yeah, but it was not what I expected, guys. I didn't think it would be like Karora Forest or something. Hey, tulitembea guys, we walked, but yeah. Anyway, aki sikuwa najua kama Oloolua inakuanga hivyo. I thought it was something fancy, somewhere you go say do something, talk nini. Kumbe ni kutembea, kumbe ni watu wanataka fitness ndio wanaendanga huko guys. Anyway, we had fun, but yeah, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying it was not something that I expected. And yeah, anyway guys, I took some videos and I've posted. I think you have seen them when I started the vlog. And I'll do a voiceover. Yeah, I will do a voiceover for you to know what I was doing there. Yeah, but yeah, today is on Monday and I'm just here taking breakfast and watching some TikToks. So yeah.
That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Omniscient, your presence always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. So prove it that this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against? The views all around me. I lay you dead. Been drowning mountains in the sea. Almost riches, dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that good news. Me and Jesus, we together got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. This you know, but I said it right. We gon' be alright. We gon' be just fine. Good news. Don't worry about me. Jesus got me. I stay winning. Say I stay winning. That's a fight.
Wash away my shame. love me with devotion. You don't kill me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a peach. You're so full inside this sauce, I feel like this. Can't fight it, let your light gon' shine on me. Ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. I see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup on the rain. He poured it over every stain until he comes. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
How are you doing? Hope you're doing great, guys. Today is on Wednesday, guys. Don't mind, I'm wearing the same jumper, the same Marvin, but guys, today is on Wednesday. Today is the next day. So I'm here outside, guys. I'm taking some tea and some cakes here like yesterday. And then, guys, I wanted to ask you a question. Is it normal, guys, to have your periods like 1 week? You know, I've never experienced that. You know, my periods are usually for 4 days, but this time round I've finished 4 days, like a week and some few days. So I don't know, is it normal? I should go to the hospital. I don't know what's going on, but hope everything is going all right. Okay, guys, so let me check breakfast, charge my phone. I told you guys, bado moto ijarudi. We don't have electricity in the house, so let me charge my phone here. then maybe I'll talk to you guys later. So I won't be vlogging during the night because there is no electricity. So yeah, pray for me guys, pray for me.
Love like a mountain that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shines through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days. Love, it flows like a river and never ever seems to run dry. So with all the breath in my lungs, I'll raise a hallelujah. So, calling me out like the first day. This ain't no first aid. Yeah, you making me new today. Crying out, straight from the fountain of wealth. I put my gift in your hand. Take me from rags to riches in the best way.